Hey, what's really good? Welcome back to my channel. Girls, listen, I can't, you know. It's another Primark haul. Okay, so first piece on the agenda is this lovely peach color dress right here. This dress spoke to my ancestors, and the ancestors spoke to me and told me that I need to get this dress, okay? I really like the details on this. Like, okay, first of all, with the neck, you can pull it in and it can give you like this type of look, as well as the back as well. Look at that, like inventions. It's just £10. I got it in a size 12 and it's 40 in the European size. This cute, almost ditzy little dress. I walked past the dress and then the dress said to me, yo sis, are you really gonna walk past me? And I looked at the dress like, you're right. So let's talk about the details, okay? And look, if it ever comes undone, girl, you don't need to worry about being exposed because it's like tied up. Do you know what I mean? It's like sewed on. Like it would never just, you know, get untied and just fall off, and that will never happen. You have to appreciate the color. This week, there's gonna be a heat wave. This is one of them dresses you wear for a heat wave. I don't know about you, but I've been eating loads and I'm really, really bloated as well. So this is gonna hide all of that and still give you ladylike. So I've got this blue denim jeans right here, and I've got mine in a size 10, and this was also just £13. And the thing that I look for when I'm like shopping in Primark, especially when it comes with the jeans, usually with the Primark jeans I'll usually get like a size 12 or a size 14. So when it's giving me that stretch and you pull it, it's telling me that, okay, this is gonna fit perfectly on my body, so therefore I can go a size down. So then you can really, you know, figure hug you if that's what you want. If not, you can just go for your normal size. But stretchy jeans in Primark, just stretch it. Just give this is a stretch test, yeah? And the thing I like about these stretchy jeans is that if you do go a size down, honestly, I don't know if anyone can testify to this, but I feel like it gives you a little bit of a lift, you know? It just gives you a last name. And to be honest with you, the thing that really caught my eye is just the details that comes down just along the thighs here. This is what you girls have to do whenever you buy jeans from Primark. Make sure you pull it. Make sure it gives way. If it has a bit of a stretch, it's most likely that A, it's going to fit you, and B, you can get a size down, like, you know, hugs your figure and stuff like that. And it's giving me shimmer puff arms, and it's giving me also details just here at the front. It's giving me like cut details, and it is cropped and it looks like this. In different ways that you wear it, it's going to change your outfit. I've got in a size 12, 14. And the reason why I did that, because I knew that the arms would be just a little bit tight, because I have got like mummy arms, like bingo wingos. Is it bingo wingos? Bingo wings. So I didn't want to get like a size 10, 12, because I knew it would be really tight around my arms. Even with this size, it is a little bit tight, but it's not uncomfortable. It is elasticated in 2 parts just there, but it's a really lovely top, and yeah, you can't go wrong with this one. You can also just wear it up like this. But if you want to be fancy, if you feel a bit flirtatious, honey, if you want to show them chiseled neck bone, then absolutely you can, and you can just drop it down just a little bit like this. It gives you cover, girl. So this is actually like a crop top. This is the length that it comes in, and I really like the details just under here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little like cup detail. There's a detailed cup here. Of course you can wear it out like this if you want to. If you want to be a little bit extra, you can just tuck it in like that, and it looks like this. This is from my previous haul, but I've got this one. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. For those that I haven't, it looks exactly like the ones in Zara. The one in Zara is selling for £12.99. This one is only selling for £5, and I really like the material as well. I got mine in a size 12, 14, and the reason why I did that is because I've got a different color, and I've got that in a 10, 12, and I felt like it was just a little bit too tight, especially like around the stomach area. It's like, you don't need to see what my belly button outline looks like. Do you know what I mean? Like you don't need to see the shape of my belly button. So I just felt like it was a little bit too tight around the stomach area. So this one is a 12, 14, and I like this one better. And I paired it up with these mum jeans. and these mum jeans I got in a size 14, which is a size 42 European size, and it was just £15. And I was really drawn to the color. It's really light denim color. There's not much of a pull on these jeans, and that's why I got it in a size 14. But it's roll up just there at the end as well, so you can definitely roll it up to give you more of a like on the edge type of look. But yeah, really nice, really simple, and really comfortable. It's not everyday tight jeans. Like some days, like baggy jeans, it's like it's okay. So that's why I got this one here. This bodysuit, you guys already saw this one from my last haul. I've teamed up with these trousers. They are mum jeans, and I just really like the color, and it's just really comfortable, and it's high-waisted. Teamed up with these shoes, and I looked at it and it screamed granddad shoes to me, like off the bat, granddad shoes. And then I felt the material and I was like, listen, this is actually really cute. Like, so I don't know what you guys think about this. Let me know what you guys think about this look right here. I was just really drawn to it. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of the material. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hey, I've got these slippers in it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would rock these slippers. Please let me know. Like, but I've got it in a size 7, £8. Comment down below. Let me know if you would wear these. But I think it's cute, so hey. So I've got me this bag because yo, like, I don't know if you guys have been seeing this bag all over the gram, but this bag is all over the gram. And I was going to purchase it. It was like 40 something pounds, and I was like, yo. So when I saw this, I was like, yay! Oh, it looks like a dumpling, like one of those Chinese dumplings. Am I just hungry? Maybe I'm just hungry. But if you feel the material, it's like really like nice, high quality. And this is why I love Primark, like, because a lot of their stuff are like really high quality now, not like how it was back in the days where you look at something and you just, but by just you looking at it, it's already got a hole in it. But now I feel like they are really delivering like high quality items, like, and I stand Primark all day. Primark, I love you. Okay, so I got this long length cardigan, and I got it in a size 6'8", and it was £13. And it's just really simple when you look at it, but it's so versatile. Like, you can do so many different things with it. I already had like an idea of how I wanted to put the outfit together, so I went ahead and I got this cropped top just here. I got this in a size medium, and it was £8. I definitely could have got a small, but I got it to match this top. And I also got these black joggers right here, and it's £6, and I got mine in a size small. I think what happened was I saw the cardigan first, and immediately I was like, yep, outfit idea. And funny enough, these trousers, I saw it and I was just like, okay, these trousers are speaking to me. They're saying something. It's, you know, speaking my language, and I understand that language very well, and I speak it very fluently, okay? And that language is affordable, okay? Affordable, and it's really, really nice. I like the material. It's very thin-ish, if that makes sense. Yes, it's thin, but not too thin where like you'll be able to like see your undies. Like, you won't be able to see your undies under this, but it's definitely one of those thin materials. And I just like the fact that you can play around with it. You know, you can roll it up. So this is what it looks like anyways. Let me show you what it looks like fully on. And then I also went with this cardigan here, which I would definitely be wearing like this, because it's giving me like Matrix look. You know, it's giving me like boss lady look. And it has got pockets on it as well. Pockets just there on each side. Just for details, it's giving me some gold buttons just here. Metal, steel bits or whatever at the end. It is silver. I am going to put nail polish on it, honey. I'm going to make that gold. Excuse my trainers, they've been crip walking a lot, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like with trainers. Okay, so follow me on my Instagram, because a lot of these outfits do end up on my Instagram as well, and you'll get like a closer and like a more personal feel, I guess, or touch on some of the items. Like the item that I really, really love the most, it definitely always ends up on my Instagram. So follow my Instagram just here. Send me a comment down below. Let me know. I'll just come over from YouTube and I'll, you know, we'll talk and connect and stuff like that. So I got this top right here, and this top gave me a vibe from a top that I've seen on the Pretty Little Thing website. So it's cropped, but it comes down just at the front here. I don't know if you can see it. It comes down just here, like it gives you like a very discreet V shape just here at the front. But I couldn't get it over my I just couldn't, it stuck. I couldn't get it over, but I am going to go back and get it again in a larger size, but You guys comment down below, let me know if you enjoy these Primark hauls, okay? So I can keep throwing them at you, like literally I'll throw it at you. And I really like tops like this because it kind of gives you shape as well. It definitely creates shape, and this is ribbed. I got mine in a size small and it was just £5. And unfortunately, however, I got it to match these high-waisted denim shorts because it's batty rider season, batty rider season, batty rider, but it's not going to be batty rider season for me in this haul. But anyways, guys, I have come to the end of that haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the pieces that I showed you today. Do comment down below, let me know which pieces were your favorite and which pieces were your least favorite. My name is Diamond. Thank you so much for watching, sisters. Mwah. Love you so much. Take care of one another, and I will see you next time. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.